Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that you can also represent the expanded form of numbers using blocks? Here's how to do it. We draw blocks to represent each digit's place value, and we draw each place value multiple times, depending on the place's digit. Say for the number 156, first we have to know the different digits and each of their place value and value. So for this number, we have three digits. Digit 1, digit 5, and digit 6. Digit 1 is in the hundreds place, which has a place value of 100. Digit 5 is in the tens place, which has a place value of 10. And digit 6 is in the ones place or units place, which has a place value of 1. And of course, the total value would be place value multiplied by the digit. So the digit 1 has a value of 100, digit 5 has a value of 50, and the digit 6 has a value of 6. Next, we can represent each value with blocks. So the value 100 is represented by the large blue square shown here. That's divided into 100 separate blocks. So if we count this, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if we count all of these squares, there's a total of 100 blocks. Okay, so there's one piece of a block that has a place value of 100, which gives us a total value of 100. So this is the digit 1, which has a place value of 100 and a value of 100. Next is we can have these green columns wherein each column is composed of 10 blocks. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these green columns can represent the digit 5. There are 5 green columns. And its place value is 10. Okay, digit 5 with a place value of 10, which gives us a total value of 50. So when you count all of these blocks in the green columns, this amounts to 50 blocks or 50 squares. And last is we need 6 more blocks. And this is to represent our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a place value of 1, giving us a total value of 6. And that's it. You can see that we can visualize a number using blocks organized based on their place value and digits.